Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today I am going to show you a super clever way to add crisp, customizable icons to your buttons using Google Fonts. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Fonts website and navigate to the Icons section. Locate the Fonts download link, open the Fonts folder, and choose the specific font variant you want to use. Go ahead and click the Download Raw File button to save it securely to your computer. Next, open up your Webflow dashboard. Click the three dots on your project thumbnail, select Settings, and navigate to the Fonts tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Custom Fonts area, hit Upload, and select that newly downloaded icon font file. Give it a clear name and click Upload again so it appears right there in the Installed Fonts list, ready to use. Now, jump into the Webflow Designer and select the exact button you want to enhance. Head over to the Typography section in the right sidebar menu. Change the font family by selecting your brand new Google Icons font from the drop-down list. To actually make the icon appear, go back to the Google Fonts website and search for the specific icon you want to use. Copy the exact icon name found inside the span tags. Finally, double-click the text area inside your Webflow button and paste that text right in. Just like that, the text transforms and you now have a sleek button featuring a perfectly rendered icon. Because Webflow treats this icon purely as text, you have complete control to quickly change its color, adjust its size, and tweak its alignment right from the typography panel, without ever messing with image files. If this typography trick saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized Webflow hacks. Let me know in the comments what component you want to build next, and I will see you in the next video.